In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link to share files step by step. Whether you want to share documents, photos, or entire folders, Google Drive provides a straightforward way to do this, and I'm here to walk you through these easy steps. To get started, first navigate to Google Drive. Simply open your web browser and enter the Google Drive URL, which is drive.google.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. This is where you'll manage your files and sharing options. Now that you're on the Google Drive homepage, it's time to select the folder or file you want to share. Look through your drive and locate the specific folder you wish to share. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. It's crucial to ensure that you're picking the correct folder, especially if you have similarly named folders or files. Selecting the right item will ensure that you share the intended content and protect other files' privacy. After selecting the folder, look for the Share option. Typically, this can be found at the top right corner of your screen or by right-clicking on the folder, which will bring up a drop-down menu. Once you've found and clicked the Share button, a new window will appear. This window will show you the current sharing settings for your selected folder. Within this sharing settings window, you'll see a section labeled Restricted. This is the default setting, meaning only specific people you choose can view the folder. To make the folder accessible to anyone with the link, you need to click on this Restricted option. Once you do, you'll see an option labeled Anyone with the link. By selecting this, you're granting access to anyone who has the direct link to the folder, making sharing much more convenient if you're disseminating information widely. Finally, to complete the process, look for the Copy Link button. By clicking this, you'll copy the shared link to your clipboard. You can now paste this link wherever you need to, whether that's in an email, a messaging app, or a social media platform. Remember, it's always good practice to double check the link's permissions to ensure that you're sharing exactly what you intend to share. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly create a shareable Google Drive link to distribute your files efficiently. Remember to always review privacy settings to maintain control over who accesses your content. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.